Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Rahi and today my video is about the autoclave. The principle, this is the picture of autoclave. You can see that easily. And in this, the principle of this autoclave is the wet heat sterilization. The wet heat sterilization means we can use the water in lid. Here you can see that the water in this autoclave. The main function of this autoclave is to heat the water, and with the help of steam it can sterilize the different types of apparatus used in operation theater and other various types of instruments used in lab. Here you can see the this is the tray of autoclave and this is the lid of autoclave. And the principle, firstly I will explain the principle. By the heat of steam it can easily kill the bacteria and stop the rate of bacteria on the apparatus, and this is the use for sterilization of different types of apparatus. And firstly I will show you the different parts of autoclave. This is the lid, we can say the lid of autoclave, which is used to cover the autoclave, and this is the handle for upholding the lid, and this is the safety valve for release the pressure, and this is the steam pressure release valve. Here we can release the steam very easily when there is high pressure in this. When there is high pressure in the autoclave, we can release the steam by opening the steam release valve. And here is the, you can see easily, here is the pressure gauge. The pressure mainly for sterilization apparatus is between 115 to 121 Pascal. Here you can see, and this is another safe stop cork, or another you can say safety valve for this. These are the screws where we can tight the lid after operating any apparatus sterilization. Here you can see the lid of your autoclave. So this is the look, and in inner part you can see the tray. The tray is for the different types of operators, like that. There is a instruments or apparatus like different type of spatula and scissors are there. If you want to sterilize that types of suture, if you want to sterilize that type of instrument, you can easily sterilize by holding in or wrap in a clean cloth. Here you can see the tray. The tray is for the upholding of different types of apparatus, and after that there is a heat rod. You can see the heat rod. When we start a switch, there is a switch. When we start the switch, the heating rod will heat up the water and steam will prepare from that. The steam will sterilize the apparatus. After 15 minutes we can heat the apparatus for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes you have to cut off the switch from here, and there is a steam valve. After 15 or 20 minutes the steam will release from this safety valve, and if you want to clearly remove all the steam, here is a steam reliever, you can see easily. So this is the basic principle and basic working of autoclave. Thank you.